To access the climate control drawer, you must first remove the wire frame above the top panel. While using a small bladed screwdriver and pressing down on the locking arm of the slide assembly, gently pull it forward. Go ahead and remove the lower pan. Note the 4 screws on the top panel that need to be removed. Once removed, the top panel assembly will slide partially forward. Note the styrofoam block that isolates the water line from the metal edge of the top panel. Upon reassembly, be sure it is installed in the proper position. Then, proceed to disconnect the 3 wire connectors on the right-hand side behind the top panel. They are the fan connector, heater connector, and climate control board connector. Once all the wire connectors, including the lights, are disconnected, the top panel housing will slide completely forward for removal. Remove the wire frame assembly and then note the 4 screws on the air diffuser. Simply loosen the 2 screws at the bottom of the diffuser, as it has U-shaped tabs, and then completely remove the 2 top screws. Gently lift up on the air diffuser and note one of the tabs that fit over the screws at the bottom of the fan housing. At this time, you can also remove the screen in front of the fan as well as the fan itself. You would need to cut the fan wires and splice in a new fan. To continue removing the fan housing, remove the 2 screws at the bottom of the wire cover on the right-hand side. This will expose several wire connectors, as well as a wire tie. Cut the wire tie to gain easy access to the 9-pin connector. Once the wire tie is cut and removed, disconnect the 9-pin connector and lay it aside. You'll find 2 more screws on the lower right-hand side of the fan housing. Remove these 2 screws completely. And once removed, note 3 more screws on the left side of the housing as well as the location of the heater within the fan housing. Remove the 3 screws on the left side and then gently lift the housing up and remove it for servicing. This will expose the double dampers as well as the openings for the freezer compartment where the double damper fits. This concludes this training video.